Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Revolut is a popular fintech app that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from their phones. It's beginner-friendly and ideal for people who are just getting started. Binance Futures, on the other hand, is part of the Binance ecosystem, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. Futures trading allows you to speculate on the price of cryptocurrencies without owning the underlying assets. You can go long or short, and even use leverage to amplify your trades. Alright, first, let's buy some crypto on Revolut. 1. Open the Revolut app. 2. Navigate to the crypto section. 3. Choose a cryptocurrency. Let's go with USDT for this demo. 4. Enter the amount you want to buy. 5. Confirm the purchase. Since Revolut doesn't let you send crypto directly to other wallets, we'll need to use a workaround, typically by withdrawing to a bank account and redepositing into Binance. On-screen instructions with visuals. Asterisk. 1. Sell your crypto on Revolut for fiat, USD, Euro, etc. 2. Withdraw the fiat to your bank account. 3. Log in to your Binance account. 4. Deposit fiat using the same bank account. 5. Once the funds arrive, buy USDT or your preferred trading pair. Now, let's get into the fun stuff. Trading on Binance Futures. 1. Go to the Derivatives section on Binance. 2. Choose USDTM Futures. 3. Pick a trading pair like BTC/USDT. 4. Adjust your leverage. I recommend starting with 1x or 2x. 5. Place a limit or market order. Asterisk. Use stop-loss orders. Asterisk. Never use all your capital on one trade. Asterisk. Keep emotions out of your decisions. Asterisk. Use a trading journal. Let's quickly recap the pros and cons. Revolut pros. Asterisk. Asterisk. Easy to use. Asterisk. Instant purchases. Asterisk. Regulated in many regions. Revolut cons. Asterisk. Asterisk. Limited crypto features. Asterisk. No wallet withdrawals. Binance Futures pros. Asterisk. Asterisk. Advanced tools. Asterisk. High liquidity. Asterisk. Potential for big gains. Binance Futures cons. Asterisk. Asterisk. High risk. Asterisk. Learning curve. Asterisk. KYC and regional restrictions. Binance Futures is a trading platform provided by Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. It allows users to speculate on the price movement of cryptocurrencies using leverage, without actually owning the underlying asset. This is different from spot trading, where you buy and sell actual crypto coins. Binance Futures supports a wide variety of contracts, including perpetual and quarterly futures. Key features of Binance Futures. Leverage up to 125x on selected contracts. Access to a wide range of trading pairs. Advanced trading tools and analytics. Hedging capabilities. Revolut is a digital banking app that offers a range of financial services including currency exchange, international transfers, and cryptocurrency purchases. It is particularly user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners looking to buy crypto quickly and easily. Key features of Revolut crypto services. Instant purchase of crypto with fiat, USD, GBP, Euro. Supports popular coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and more. Secure storage through custodial wallets. Integration with bank accounts and cards. Connecting Revolut to Binance. Crypto transfer. Revolut does not directly integrate with Binance, but you can manually transfer crypto. Ensure crypto withdrawals are enabled in Revolut. Check your Revolut plan. Standard plans may have limited functionality. Get your Binance deposit address. Go to Binance, select Wallet, Fiat and Spot, Deposit. Choose the crypto and network, e.g. Bitcoin on BTC network. Copy the address. Send crypto from Revolut. Open Revolut, go to the crypto section. Select the coin and tap Send. Paste the Binance deposit address and confirm. Wait for blockchain confirmation. The transfer usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Strategies for Binance Futures trading. Scalping. Quick trades that last minutes. Aim for small profits repeatedly. Day trading. Enter and exit positions within the same day. Analyze short-term trends and use technical indicators. Swing trading. Hold positions for days or weeks, based on medium-term trends. Hedging. Offset potential losses in your spot holdings by taking opposite positions in futures. Risk management techniques. Use stop-loss and take-profit orders. Only risk 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. Avoid over-leveraging. Binance Futures allows you to trade cryptocurrencies with leverage. It supports advanced features like stop-loss and take-profit orders. The platform is perfect for both long and short positions. It also offers deep liquidity and low fees. Binance continues to be a leading name in crypto trading for a reason. Benefits of Binance Futures. Trade with leverage up to 125x. Access over 100 trading pairs. Use risk management tools easily. Enjoy 24/7 customer support. Getting started on Binance Futures. Create an account on Binance.com. Complete identity verification. Fund your wallet with crypto or fiat. Then, go to the Futures section and select a trading pair. Set your leverage and open a position. Monitor the market with built-in charting tools and manage your risks smartly. Using Revolut to buy crypto instantly. Revolut is a digital banking app with built-in crypto features. You can buy, hold, or sell crypto directly within the app. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major coins. The user interface is beginner-friendly. It's ideal for quick, small-scale investments. Steps to buy crypto on Revolut. Download and open the Revolut app. Complete identity verification. Link your bank account or card. Navigate to the crypto section. Choose a coin and make a purchase. Funds reflect in your account instantly. Revolut also lets you set price alerts and recurring buys. It's great for long-term holders. Combining Binance Futures and Revolut. You can use Revolut to buy crypto and transfer it to Binance for trading. This is efficient and fast. First, buy USDT or BTC on Revolut. Then, send it to your Binance wallet. After receiving, move the funds to your Futures wallet. You're now ready to open leveraged trades. Top tips for trading in 2025. Start small and increase your exposure gradually. Use stop-loss to minimize losses. Monitor market trends using Binance charts. Avoid over-leveraging during volatile sessions. Stay updated with crypto news and global events. Knowledge and discipline are key to success in the 2025 crypto market. Use educational tools offered by both platforms.